How was exam? Saturday, one day exam.
Good morning, sir.
Ma? Supriya, how was exam?
Good,
Okay.
good, sir.
Okay, good. Right. So today's topic is statistics, new chapter.
New chapter, sir.
New chapter. Statistics. So in final GE means compulsory question from this topic, statistics, small topic. So let us complete early and we'll do competitive also. So we are doing now PU. After that competitive we will do.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think in 10th class, whatever you know, the same thing here also. Mean, median, mode. I think everyone know about this. Mean deviation about mean deviation about median. These all things. You have idea, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So let us start. 15.1 exercise. First question. Find the mean. If you have textbook, open the textbook and see. Find the mean. Find the mean deviation about mean. Find the mean deviation about mean. For the data. Four, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. 10, 12, 13, 17. So mean deviation about mean. That's what they are asking. So first let us find out solution. First write given data. Given data, because it is a PU, questions are like this only. So some steps we have to maintain. Mean is equal to mean represented by X bar. Sigma Xi by N. Sigma Xi means add the numbers. If you add the numbers, what you will get divided by number of numbers. Sum of the numbers by number of the numbers. 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 17 divided by 8. So sum of the numbers by number of the numbers, 80 by 8, 10.
Done, sir.
So 1 minute.
Amount.
Yes, sir. Finished, sir.
Right. So now what we have to find is mean deviation. Mean deviation about mean. That means sigma x minus x bar modulus divided by n. So denominator n, you write small number, small n, don't write capital N. Capital N means different meaning is there. Further you will get that. So use small n only, number of observations. So what we have to find generally, what data given is 4, 7, 8, 9, like that data. So we have to find the modulus 4 x minus x bar. Suppose if you take 4, x bar is a 10, 7 minus a 10, 8 minus 10. Like this, every observation minus a mean we have to find. Modulus why we are using to find a positive value. 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 10, 12, 13, 17. 13, 17 divided by n. N means number of observations. See, suppose 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Modulus minus 6 plus 6. Like this we have to write. So 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. 2 plus
So
3
why do we take 10 over there?
x bar. What is the mean?
Okay,
We
sir.
find same question continuation. Previously we find mean. Now subtraction we have to do. That is only called deviation.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Plus
Sir, I
7.
didn't understand, sir. Why? What is that X bar, sir?
Huh?
X bar.
X bar is mean. Previously we find out mean first. Sum of the observations by number of observations, that is mean. But your question is mean deviation. Deviation means originally observations should be in some place, but they are deviated to some extent. That is only mean deviation. So what we have to find out? X minus X bar.
Sir,
Okay.
that question was not completed,
Sir,
sir.
is it 24 by
Same
3, sir?
question we are doing. Same question
Sir.
we are doing. This is not separate question. Still continuation. This is.
Sir, is it 24 by 8, sir?
34 or 24. Check properly.
24. It should be 24, sir.
So 24 by 8.
3.
3 is the answer. This is your answer actually. So mean find out, then subtraction do from your mean, every observation. Deviations you will get. Add the deviations divided by number of observations. That is called mean deviation about mean. They are asking about mean. That's why subtraction came minus X bar.
Sir, if they tell deviation, we need to do subtraction, sir.
What, Kirti?
If they tell deviation, we need to do subtraction, sir.
Yes. Deviation means, see, mean deviation about mean means minus X bar. About median means you have to find median, then subtract median. Like that.
Okay, sir.
So completed means we'll do same type another question.
Yes, sir.
So mean deviation about mean. Same question. I will give you observations. Find out mean deviation about mean. Numbers are, if you have textbook, second bit I am giving.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, 38, 70, 48, 40.
Textbook example, no, sir.
What? Not example. Textbook question only.
Oh,
Except,
I'll take once. I didn't take textbook, so 1 second.
see.
An NCRT textbook.
Yes, NCRT, 15th chapter, last, very last. You can see first exercise we are doing, 15.1, 42, 55, 63, 42, 55.
Math NCERT syllabus is over.
Huh? 46,
I have completed the syllabus, sir.
46, 54, 44. So all of you do this question. Same model question, complete.
Sir, answer is 8.4.
Yes, correct. So mean you will get 50 here.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
X bar
sir.
equal to 50. And the final answer is 8.4 correct. So if everyone completes, I will move to next sum.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. So third sum is question number 3. Mean deviation about median. First two questions are based on about mean. Now here it is based on mean deviation about median. So data, given data. So what they have given is 13, 17, 16, 13, 17, 16. Anybody opened a textbook? Tell me numbers. Third question.
1 minute.
14, 11,
14, 11,
14, 11, 13, 10,
10, 16, 11,
11, 18.
13, sir. 1, 3.
1, 3.
Yes, sir.
10, 16,
16.
11,
Okay.
18,
Okay.
12,
Okay.
17.
Okay. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to write an increasing order. Increasing order or decreasing order, anything you can write. So generally we write increasing only. Increasing order of data is 10, 11, 2 times k, 12, 13, 14, 16, 2 times k, 13 also 2 times k. 17, 2 times k. 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Therefore, n is equal to 12 even. So median equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So median equal to 6 plus 7 observation by 2. Otherwise, you just circle the numbers. 13 plus 14 by 2.
Sir, 13.55.
These two. 13.15. So this is median.
Sir, how can you write an Indian?
Increasing the, see, you can just check first and last cancel. Like this you carry. So here 2 numbers left. Average of these two is nothing but median. This is the way we will find median. So first you have to arrange in ascending order, descending order. Then you have to eliminate it. Otherwise, n is a given number. So n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 both are medians. 12 is there, so 6th and 7th observations are medians. You can count from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6th and 7th observations by 2.
Sir, I understand that 13 and 14 as median, sir.
Yeah, average find out.
Okay, sir.
So median is represented with gallium. Again, the same process how we did for some. There we mention X bar in place of X bar M came. That is only the difference. Right. I can continue.
Yes, sir.
Right. So finally, what we have to do is continuation I am doing. Mean deviation, mean deviation about median is sigma mod xi minus m divided by n. I is equal to 1 to how many observations are there? 12. So same. Every number, previously starting number is increasing order and then capital M means 13.5 like that, and then now 11 now. For every number you have to find out last 18 is there. Clearly write every step divided by 12. So can you use calculators? There is no problem. PU calculator will allow, but CBSE they don't allow. For this chapter majorly, they will allow calculator. decimal numbers are there, but still calculation take care.
Two point three three, sir.
Done, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the final answer is a 2.33 something. 28 by 12. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Right. I'm erasing. Next sum I will write question number 4. Same data they will give, same method, mean deviation about mean, median, (36, 72, 46). 36, 72, 46, 42, 60, 45, 42, 60, 45, 53, 46, 53, 46, 51, 49. So these are the observations. Same method apply, mean deviation about median.
Forty-seven point five, sir.
Huh?
Median is 47.5
Yes, correct.
and mean is 7.
7, huh? Okay, correct. So everyone complete fast. Next models also let us try to finish. Finished everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Question number 5. This is next type question. They will give you observation and frequency. That means how many times that observation repeated. That is called frequency. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 15, 20, 25. 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. Okay, fine. So let us start solving next type question. First, we have to find out mean here. So we have to prepare a table like this: xi, fi, xi, fi. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Frequency 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. xi, fi. Multiply 35, 40, 90, 60, 125. So add frequencies, add fi, xi. We have to find out their sum. So if you add frequency, what you will get? 25. If you add xi, fi, you will get 325. 325 or 350?
No, sir, it will be 350, sir.
Okay, 350.
350, sir.
Right. So here mean equal to x bar is equal to sigma fi xi
By sigma fi.
by sigma fi. So sigma fi means fi xi means 350 divided by 25.
14. 14.
Yeah, 14. This is your x bar. Now we have to find x minus x bar. X means this, x bar is this one. So what is mod x minus x bar you are getting, that you have to write. Next, one more column will come, that is fi into mod x minus x bar. This is the method. So 14 minus 5, that is 9. 14 minus 10 is 4. 14 minus 15, that is 1. 20 minus 14, 6.
6.
25 minus 14 is
11.
11. Now these two multiply 63,
63. 16.
16,
6. 18. 55.
18, 55. Yes. So add them.
158, sir.
158. So finally, mean deviation
Method.
about mean
Okay,
is
okay, sir.
equal to formula sigma mod
Fi xi.
fi mod x minus x bar divided by sigma fi.
Yes, sir.
So here it is 158 by 25.
Sir, it will be 60. It'll be 63.2, sir. 63.2.
6.32. Because the 25 6 are 150, no? 6.3.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sir. 6.32. Correct, sir.
So this is how we have to do. Question number 5, I did 6th same model. Done, Amma, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm moving to next model. So actually we have done 5th question, 6th same model. So 7th, 8th will be the same model. Now let us start 7th question. Question number 7. Mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median. So xi, fi. 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. Eight, 6. So mean deviation about mean we have done last question. Now mean deviation about median, this is xi, fi. 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. This is 8, 6, 2, 2, 2, 6. CF, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means add 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus
20.
6,
26.
26. So here if you add them, that is also 26.
Sir, do we have to add for CF, sir?
No, no. So here I am doing next what to do. N by 2. N means this one. N is 26.
13, sir.
26 by 2 means what you will get?
13.
13. So in cumulative frequency, just above 13, what is there? That you need to circle. In cumulative frequency, just above this number, 14 is there. 14 corresponding X value, what is there? 7. That is called median. Therefore, median equal to 7. That is how you need to identify median. Now we have to do mod X minus M. Next step, Fi into
In cumulative frequency, 13 is also there.
in cumulative frequency 13.
Yeah,
How?
if it's there, then what we should do, sir?
It won't be there. It won't come like
Okay,
that.
sir.
So here median is 7. So we have to do subtraction with observation and median. So 5 minus 7, 2. Don't think minus, modulus is there. So only positive value, right? 7 minus 7, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 7, 3. 12 minus 7, 5. 15 minus 7, 8.
8.
Now these two multiply. 8 2s are 16.
8 2s are 16. 0. 4. 6. 10.
6,
48.
48. Add them.
$84.
84. Therefore, mean deviation about median.
So that median is what? 14 by 2 we should do. Then we'll get median, sir.
Huh?
Median we got 7, no, sir. 14 by 2.
No.
Then,
Corresponding value 7.
oh,
See,
okay, sir.
whatever n value n by 2 you are getting, just
Yes,
about
sir.
this number, what is there in cumulative frequency search. For that corresponding X value is your median.
Okay, sir.
So mean deviation about median, final answer is sigma Fi mod X minus M by capital N. That means 84 by 26. Find out the value.
Sir,
Yes.
you told 13 above value. That means what? More than 13, whatever near value is it for the
13. After 13, what is the immediate greatest number? That you have to think. Okay, na?
Sir, it will be 42 by 13.
Tell me a decimal number. 84 by 26, how much you got?
Sir, 3 point.
3.23, sir.
Yes, sir, 3.23.
Right. That is your answer. So question number 8, same model, 8th question do.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Okay. We'll continue tomorrow. Complete this 8th question and wait, 8th. I think 2 more, 3 more questions. Okay. Interval type questions are there next. We can do.
Sir,
Tomorrow,
after this chapter, what will we do? Next chapter?
this week, completely this chapter only.
But after that, which chapter, sir?
See the schedule. Schedule is with you, right?
Oh, okay, sir. Thank
Sir,
I
you
have-
have completed the whole syllabus
I have
except
to check.
probability, sir.
I think we have probability only. I don't know. I have to check.
Practical reasoning, that is done, sir.
Huh?
Mathematical reasoning, that is done, sir.
Not done.
That is there and probability is there, sir, I think.
We'll see. Next week, syllabus next week, we'll see. Basu. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, we
Thank you,
should
sir.
complete that interval type questions, sir. Or you
Tomorrow.
will do tomorrow. Okay, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.